Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I have the winner for the CatLady Box giveaway. I have picked a winner, and this is the CatLady Box, and I just recently got it. I'll put my video below if you haven't seen it, but many of you entered, and I wish that y'all could get a box. You really can. You can go buy one, but only one of you could win. So I do have the winner chosen, and I also have a little friend mail. So I'm just going to tell you who the winner is. I'll put them at the end. I do want to show you. This is a shirt that I got. You always get a wearable in the box. In the Crazy CatLady Box, which is what they send me, you get a wearable and you get 2 toys for your cats. And then you get other wonderful things. Just, you know, household items, just fun stuff, all kinds of fun stuff. We got a beautiful blanket not too long ago. I just love everything I get. I love. We got coasters this month, and you know, you always need coasters to put a bottle of water on or your coffee or whatever the case may be. This is one of the wearables I got a few months ago. I can't remember what month it was from, but it has this cute white cat on the front, and then on the back it has it's really long, so I get big on purpose, but it says it talks about crazy cat ladies, so that were really cool. But anyway, it is such a cool subscription. As you know, my cats are crazy about it. They love the box itself, and they love the toys. The toys always have catnip in them, so they're great toys. They're very well made toys. They're not junk. They last and last and last. And my cats just love them. Usually they, one cat over the other will choose a favorite, and they just really enjoy it. So that is this subscription. And I'll have the information below if you'd like to join. And the winner is Betty Vick. So Betty Vick is the winner, so please congratulate her in the comments. And Betty, I'm so happy for you. Congratulations. Betty is a great subscriber and a good friend as well. And a lot of y'all are good friends to me, and I'm very, very grateful for you to be here. And I'm just was so excited when CatLady Box asked me to do this giveaway, so I'm really excited about that. I have other giveaways going on, usually all the time, so go and look for those. And then I'm going to show you what I'm wearing, and then I'm going to show you a little friend mail that I received. I am wearing, because of this beautiful turquoise t-shirt, I wanted to match it a little bit. And I am wearing the Allure Beauty Mercury Retrograde. This palette is fantastic. You know, Allure Beauty is expensive stuff. I got this palette when it was half price on her website. I've had it a little while. It's the color, it's beautiful. It's one of those that you just can look at. It's so pretty. It's a lucite package, so it's just really, really pretty. Yes, walk right in front so no one can see. Oh, there goes my the mirror. I was trying to not flash the mirror at you, but look at those gorgeous colors. And these I thought went very well with my t-shirt, so I decided to use this, and I've used some other colors as well. Just gorgeous palette. Hello, Camille. And then I have this eyeliner. I got this eyeliner in Ice Cream Beauty a while back because I don't get that box anymore. This is from Okaland, and look at that gorgeous purple sparkly going on there. It's a purple eyeliner. I'll show it to you real quick. It's a like a paintbrush style, and it's purple, and I'm wearing that. And I really love this lippy, and I just was looking on Fab Fit Fun because you can choose your items for your box of your annual, and you can go shopping for the add-ons, and they have the refill for the Hourglass lippy, which I got from Fab Fit Fun last quarter or the quarter before. I really don't remember when it was from, and it's beautiful and I love it. It's a little dark maybe for this outfit, but I don't care. I like it anyway. And this is it, and I don't remember the color name. I can't remember the color name, but oh, it's called At Night, and they have a refill, but I don't think it's the same color. It's just one. There's only one available, but it's $6.99. And I think the refills are like $21.99 or $22.99 regular price. So I got that. This is what I'm wearing, and I like this a lot. It feels really good on my lips. Whoops. I also used this lip liner because it matches it pretty well. This is waterproof gel lip liner, It says Kisser Fixer, and it is Belle Beauty, Belle Beauty. And it's very beautiful, and it goes well with that lipstick. Camille, you'll have to stop because I'm trying to show things. Okay, go on, lovey. All right, there's the lip liner. Okay, I'm gonna move that out of the way so we don't want cat fur on the lip liner. But those are my little swatches for this. And then I have a little bit of friend mail. So I got a card. I've had it actually for a little bit. I think I got it in the midst of all that snow and ice. We didn't get mail for 6 days, I think it was. So I got it right after that. But I've been holding it because I haven't had time to show it. I haven't had a video to show it on. So this is a card from Erlene. It says Happy Mail on it. Erlene S has her own channel, and we're doing a Mass Monday together actually, and it ends on Sunday. So go see that. I am doing a giveaway, some sheet masks. Erlene is doing a giveaway, some sheet masks. We did that together. And then Christine from Life with Christine tagged on to us, and she's doing a giveaway also of some sheet masks if you subscribe to her and Erlene. So we're really excited about that because we want, Erlene is a sweetheart. Y'all will really like her. You may already know her from the comments because she's been a subscriber for a while. So go check out those giveaways. And she sent me a card. Oh, it's very beautiful. Oops, something's fallen out. Okay, some stickers or something. Isn't that pretty? That is nice. And in this dreary weather we're having, very nice to see the beautiful spring. That looks like spring to me. It says, she's got some cute stickers in there. Oh, see, she's just very sweet. She says, well, now that I'm trying to read it, it's a little personal. So she's thanking me for supporting her channel. So, and that it means a lot to her. So thank you so much, Erlene. I really like you. I've known you a little while now, and you're just such a sweetheart. And I will do anything to help you with your channel. Any of my subscribers that want to start a channel, go for it. That's what I say. If you're not sure, if you're really shy, I'm not shy. I'm not shy, but I never want to be on camera. So go figure. Anyway, she does have this cute sticker on here that says Queen. It's a crown. And this one says, good things are coming. And then there are some stickers inside that are adorable. We have, oh, she's cute. Hello Kitty, and she's an angel. She's got a wing. How cute is that? And then this is a Care Bear. And Camille, is that you, Mia? I don't think that's her. And a beautiful butterfly. It might be Smudge. And this one says, good vibes only. Thank you, Erlene. You're so sweet to send me a card. Y'all, I used to send cards all the time, and I don't do it anymore. And I'm really bad at that because I should be sending thank you cards to people that send me things. And I do apologize. I just feel like I don't have any free time between work and my channel and comments. I'm always behind on comments because there's so many. Thank you. Listen, I want you to know, it may take me a little while, but I read every single comment. I really do. And I do get behind though. So if you have something that you need an answer to or something, oh, what is that on my face? Oh, isn't that lovely? See, my skin is changing, getting that nice dark spot. And nothing helps, just so you know. All the products I have, I've tried everything. It doesn't help. I'm just getting old. What was I saying? If you have a question, send me a DM on Instagram. That's the best way to reach me if you have a question. Because sometimes y'all ask me questions in the comments, which is great. I love talking to you. But if I don't see it right away and it's like 2 weeks out and you're asking about something right then, and I'm like, oh my goodness, I didn't answer you. It's not because I don't want to answer you. I just get behind. And then I got this package. I got a brown box. And inside the brown box is this. And I do know what it is because my friend Misty, my dear friend Misty, sent this to me. And she wanted to send this to me for Valentine's Day, but something happened when she was, you know how that is sometimes when you're checking out. Like I have trouble if a gift card, it won't let me do the gift card or something. You could pick a date and it wasn't letting her do it. So it just came. So it is candy. And this is from Misty is Moon Dust Psychic Medium. And I'll put her below. She doesn't do a lot on YouTube, but she's on Instagram more. And this is from the company C's. I'm looking to see what, it's 1 pound of chocolates. Oh my goodness. It doesn't say the name on the tag, but C's is a chocolate company. It's SEE''S. There's only S's on here. And see, it says milk chocolate, 1 pound. So it doesn't say, it doesn't have the logo, but maybe the box will underneath. It's wrapped so beautifully. C's is an old-fashioned, well, I shouldn't say that. There's not that many left in the country, but chocolates that are like, you know, locally made, and then maybe they got big and then they got out there, you know. So like in my where I grew up in Chicago, there was Marshall Fields had chocolates, and then there also was Fannie Mae candies. And there's, you know, so different locations, different areas had their own homemade candy. And this is from the West Coast, and I've had C's in Las Vegas. I've only been to Las Vegas one time, and when I was there, the hotel that I was in, they had a C's chocolate counter. And I went with a girlfriend to Las Vegas, and every day on our way back to our room, we'd stop and get a couple of chocolates. So I'm gonna open it. I can't open it nicely. I tried. I can't do it. I can't do it nicely. This is so overstuffed. I mean, really, it's bulging. It's a bulging box of chocolates. Okay, now we see. Okay, oh my goodness, it smells fabulous, y'all. See, look at how the box is bulging. There's so much in there. There is the logo. C's, it says famous old-time candies. So these are like, I'm not sure if it's still done this way, but you know, handmade candies, you know, that kind of thing. So, and there's Mrs. C's, and oh, it smells heavenly, Misty. Thank you so much, Misty. Let's see what's in there. Oh, don't tell me about calories. Okay. Oh, it got a little disheveled. Okay, there's a couple of broken, oh my goodness, y'all. It's a little disheveled, but that's okay. You think I'm not going to eat it anyway? Look at that, y'all. Oh my goodness, it smells heavenly. There's like a Heath bar kind of something that's broken a little bit. It got a little tossed. You know, they're fragile. They're delicious handmade chocolates. They're a little fragile. Oh my goodness. You know, we have to break one open. Let's try this one. Look at that, y'all. Let me break it open and see what it. I might have to bite it. I might have to bite it. It might. I can't get it to break. Let's see. This one is chocolate filled. Oh my goodness. It's so rich and delicious. Thank you so much, Misty. Oh my goodness. I'm in heaven right now. I'm in heaven, y'all. Look at that. There is a, oh, look at that. It's like a little caramel with almonds dipped in chocolate. Look at this pretty one with the sprinkles on it. Camille, you can't have this, excuse me. They're just, you know, beautiful different shapes. It's all milk chocolate covered. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Misty. Oh, that's so sweet. Valentine's Day. Thank you, Misty, for the Valentine's gift, and thank you, Erlene, for the beautiful card. And thank you all for being here. Thank you to all that entered the CatLady Box giveaway, and thank you to Betty Vick for entering. And I hope that you enjoy whatever you pick. You can get January's box if you want to, Betty, or you can, get February. So I'll send you the information. And oh, that's so good. Y'all take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.